Hello, how you doing? Got some Chinese chicken on the go today. Whole chicken, we're gonna boil it up. It's really simple, but it's super, super delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Me. Okay, so I've got a 1 kg, which is a 2.2 pound chicken. Cut that in half, so 500 grams each. Let's move on. So I've got that chicken in a large pot. We're gonna add water. There's a litre of water there. 2 cups of soy, I'm using a light soy. Half a lemon, just drop it in. Piece of cinnamon. A couple of dried chili. Some ginger. What have I got there? 6 garlic cloves. Starter anise, 4 or 5 there. Couple of teaspoons black peppercorns, salt and ground black pepper. Bring that to the boil. Once it gets to boiling point, let it go for about 15 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, so that's reached boiling point. So I'm gonna pop a lid on and then I'm gonna put it on a kind of rolling boil, like a kind of medium heat. Okay, I've just turned the heat off. Let some steam out of there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to remove the chicken, but we're going to keep 1 cup of that water. So I've now got a small little pan there. We're going to take the 1 cup of the stock that we cooked the chicken in, and very simply we're going to add half a cup of oyster sauce to that. We're on a fairly high heat. We're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Beautiful. So what I've done is I've cut my chicken, as you can see, plated it up. We're going to just pour some of that lovely little glaze on it. Delicious. Just going to finish this off with some green onion or spring onions, whatever you call them, or scallions even, and a few toasted sesame seeds. Super, super delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.